Now that I have enough time and I can actually turn the compost every other day, I'm going to try again to see how fast I can make compost. It's now been about a month and a half, and this is what I have. Really, I've only been turning it about every 3 to 5 days, just like in the last video. Oh, there's a worm. Great. But I'm disappointed by how little is left over. There's been heavy rain real frequently, and there's been just over 100-degree days for I don't know how long, weeks and weeks. And I think that's all contributed to this. So I'm kind of disappointed by how little there is left after, decay and, little organisms eating it and giving off carbon dioxide. So a lot of it literally evaporated, turned into a gas, carbon dioxide. And a lot of it got washed out by the heavy rain, and it's just gone. And this is a little bit better than my last attempt to make fast compost, but not much. I think I'm done trying to make fast compost. This is not what I would call finished compost, but it's getting there. This is the bin on my slow or regular compost pile that has the finished compost in it. And you can see how that's different. It's a lot crumblier, it's darker. It's just better. It's still kind of wet and gloppy though. It's been raining and raining and raining. So anyway, that was my second and final attempt to make fast compost. That was a month and a half. And there's a link in the description below to the video that gave me the idea to do this with that particular apparatus. So I hope you learned something from that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.